Good morning, friends. Entering his rest, we read Hebrews 4, verse 9 to 10. There remains therefore rest for the people of God. For he who has entered his rest has himself also ceased from his works as God did for his. Please pray with me. Father, I stepped into your rest today. I laid down the burden of self-effort, self-justification, and anxious striving. Through Jesus, I enter the rest you prepared for me, a rest of trust, a rest of surrender, a rest of knowing that you are at work even when I'm still. Teach my heart to live from this place of peace. Let rest become my strength and quietness my confidence. I receive your grace to cease from my own works and trust fully in yours. In your rest, I find life and renewal. Amen.